Hi friends, once again another video, just tips on things that people don't notice and that people don't generally do, or even things not to buy. Anyway, this is a blow dryer. It's at one of my clients' house, and as you can tell, where the air comes in, it's pretty clogged. So to save a blow dryer, they all pop off. You just pop them off, and I take the vacuum and suck them all up. And it works. So, as you can tell, I took the vacuum, I vacuumed it. Then I actually took the toothbrush. But you could pop this off too. Or you can also use a Q-tip. So there's the tip for the day. Have a great day. And please like and subscribe. Ciao for now. Lots of love.